MANOTS is back. We're twins tonight as well, aren't we?
Yeah.
Both got our little hoodies on. So
Black little hoodies.
it is Tuesday night. I've just, well, not just done a Zwift race, but I've done a surprise Zwift race. I wasn't going to race, so a few people were quite shocked when they saw the stream pop up. Yeah, so I was supposed to be racing. No, I was down to race for.
You've got a hair you've picked up your face.
Oh.
Or something.
Supposed to be racing in C1s, but then Dan Woods a couple of days back said he was keen to race, and I was just like, take my place. My back and my neck is just in bits at the moment, so I think I've done something really bad to my neck, so it's not the usual neck strain. So anyway, he took my place. He had a flu jab today, so he was just going to see how he was after that, and he was fine. So he raced for me, and then last minute C2, the other C team, had someone drop out. So quick message with Lord Dan. Dan called me and was like, do you want me to do C2 or do you want me to do C1? I was like, and do you want me to do C2? And I was like, no, I'll do C2 because I'd literally just do a sprint and I'll just freewheel round to get the points. So and I lasted a bit longer than I expected, but then as soon as the I parked the bus, I just couldn't get it going again. So I felt so sick after that second sprint. It was just like, there's times where I felt rough on Zwift, and there's times where I was thinking I might be sick in a minute. So I didn't even want to phone it. I was thinking, I was looking, when you're looking around for a bucket, I was just like, well, I felt that rough. So I knew my body.
You always have your little bucket on the floor by Zwift.
Oh yeah. I knew my body wasn't. I don't know what. I wasn't ready to race, and it just proved it tonight. So I went from 11th to about 54th or something. So
is that what you came in the end?
I think it was like that. So well done to everyone that raced. That's the season over. So
I can't believe that's it.
Yeah, the next one starts.
Oh right.
There's three seasons this year or something, or like January 11th, I think. Rings a bell.
After Christmas.
I think the next one's then. I might be wrong. So, yeah, but it's great fun. Race more than I was expecting.
Is that like every week? Did you miss 1 week?
I did every week because I raced for C2 in the week I wasn't going to race for C1.
Good bit of training.
Yeah. Nah, just like nudged me there. Yeah, it was a good bit of training. So thank you for anyone that came along. Do hit that bell button on Comrides.
Who knows when it's going to pop up?
No, because I didn't. Because then I said, well, if I race, I'm not streaming. And then like it was about 4 minutes ago, I was thinking,
may as well stream
it. You just never know, do you? So
that's quite fun in the end.
Yeah, it was good, wasn't it? I thought it'd keep me going longer than I was expecting. So yes, and we just watched the second to last episode of Billions. So we're gonna, even though it's late, we are gonna.
Oh, I've got this pain in my side. You know when you sometimes feel like you have an air bubble?
Yeah.
I've got one of those.
Just stretch.
That hurt quite a lot.
Well, not now.
Oh no, I was just sitting up straight.
All right. So we're going to watch the last episode, try and get through the last episode, even though it's late. But we did have an early night last night, didn't we? And although I'm drinking loads of water again, so I was up at like 2:30, I think, and I didn't get back to sleep till about 4:30.
Oh, that must have been when I woke up.
All right. I was just like, when you're just like, ding! And because of she went to bed earlier as well, I think the body clock was just thinking, I may as well get up. And
What time do you normally get up?
I don't know, about half hour after you go. Oh, my back. Yeah, what else is happening now?
Not a lot.
Not a lot. I've started putting hashtag the number of the vlog on behind the com on the end of the title, so I've got to go back and do a fair few. So I can't remember what this one is, but that's a little update. WD-40 have messaged.
Oh, have they?
Seeing if they want to.
I could do some WD-40. And then you can have your other one back that I took to the yard.
Saying
I didn't tell you about.
something about because they sent me some products back along, and if they keep me topped up with products, if I want to form a partnership with them. So yeah, we'll see. So we'll see about that. It's nothing paid, which again, when you start out on the YouTube lark, it's just like free stuff. You're like, yeah, brilliant. And then actually, when you sort of think about it, it's like the TikToks. Oh, I've had another TikTok ban, which I've just come off. So hopefully that will be the last ban. What are you up to?
It was 6.7, I think.
6.8, I reckon. Nat is flying on TikTok. Thank you to anyone that's on TikTok and supporting us.
6.8.
6.8 and
1.5.
and 4,000 followers now on Behind the Con. So no one's obviously clicking the YouTube button and coming to watch this.
I don't know, it has gone up a couple. You lost a couple the other day.
Yeah.
And then
I would say post Peaks District Blues, that probably was. So, yeah. Oh, so that's
212
So
today.
this is 213th daily upload. 200. Imagine uploading a YouTube video every day for 230. If you said that at the start, I'd be like, no way, I'm not doing it for a week.
What did you say to start with? You just said daily.
I'm just going to do some daily content and stuff. So, but I love it when those old ones pop up. So Jack Shmee just said he's caught up with them all. So
That's funny because we were just talking about him at the weekend.
yeah.
Yeah.
So I think it's like quite helpful if I do put the numbers in and stuff. So anyway, that's 6 minutes of us talking about all.
As usual.
Agnes likes these ones normally because it's race debrief. Yeah.
I obviously do have things going on in my life. Not nothing, but just nothing that anyone would be interested in.
Well,
You know.
what, really?
Yeah. Well, I was supposed to be going to ride Hiccup tomorrow, but I'm not now because Percy's pulled a shoe. There you go. There's something.
Well, yeah, but that's more interesting than what I've just talked about. Don't put yourself down, Nat. They love hearing from you.
Might be going to the Saddlers with my mum on Thursday.
You have to vlog that. Do some vlogging. We got Chi Chi at the weekend.
Yeah, I think they might be coming Thursday night, so I don't know whether it's a good idea to go to the Saddlers on Thursday because I sort of probably need to clear up the house.
Yeah. So we got Chi Chi for the weekend, so
Yeah.
you'll see her in some vlogs. And anything else?
No.
Go and watch this video. This video is quite cool.
It's over there, isn't it?
No, here.
Because we did it that way last time.
No, but I'm not. This is just uploading from the phone,
Oh,
so it'll just be up here.
okay.
That'll be up there, and something else up there. Bye. Got to try and do the off button now.